Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2011 Nissan Rogue. This Nissan is powered by front-wheel drive 4-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 125,870 miles. Discover adventure with this 2011 Nissan Rogue. Fuel-efficient, reliable, and packed with features, it's the perfect companion for your journeys. Don't miss out on this exceptional deal. Drive home a stylish and versatile SUV today. This pre-owned Rogue comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, alloy wheels. To keep you entertained, this Nissan Rogue is equipped with Bluetooth. Safety was put first by the following features: traction control, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.